The world is changing faster than you can imagine. The old systems are collapsing. Join us as we delve into the minds driving the future, the Clean Titans.
Welcome back to Clean Titans. I'm at the Walmart in Richardson, Texas, and you can charge your electric cars at this Walmart. All you have to do is scan this QR code and follow the prompts, and you can charge your car. Walmart is planning to have 10,000 super fast superchargers at every Walmart Supercenter across the nation. There's a Walmart within 10 miles of every American. So with 10,000 fast superchargers, that'll be an amazing thing. The Walmart has 4 superchargers, both the NACS and the old style, the CCS, as well as the NACS. So you can charge while you go shopping at Walmart. So it'll be amazing development with 10,000 superchargers all over the country. That will be great. Walmart planted superchargers and operated with your Walmart app. Isn't that cool? This is going to be awesome. Thanks for watching Clean Titans. Please tell your friends about Clean Titans and like, share, subscribe, and consider supporting us on Buy Me a Coffee and watch our long-form interviews, amazing interviews with amazing people all over the world helping to clean up our future. Thank you.
The insights and solutions we discuss here are crucial for a cleaner future. They're about a fundamental shift in mindset. We believe that interviews like this are so profound, they can change the course of your life. If this conversation moved you, hit that subscribe button to join the community that's building the sustainable future. Thank you for watching. Like and tell your friends about Clean Titans and consider supporting us on Buy Me a Coffee. And we'll see you next time on Clean Titans.